Hello. Now we will learn about token vesting WEFI read tab. So for that we will open the that smart contract page. So here is the read tab. So firstly we will check what options are available. So first is the authorized contact address, as I also shown you in the diagram that what is authorized contact address. Basically this will be the pre-sale smart contract address which will lock the tokens in this vesting smart contract. As we could check that this is vesting smart contract. So this is the authorized smart contract to lock tokens in this vesting smart contract. So balance of, we could check that how much vesting balance is available when available for a wallet when there are tokens locked in the vesting wallet. Then as we already discussed that the investor will be given WEFI tokens. WEFI tokens. So this will be awarded from, these tokens will be awarded from this smart contract, vesting smart contract. And when the tokens will be, WEFI tokens will be released from this smart contract, then this balance will be taken out from the investor wallet. So compute releasable amount. So when an amount will be locked in the vesting smart contract and we could want to check that how much amount is available to be released from the vesting smart contract, then we could check that amount from here by pasting the schedule ID and then querying the blockchain. Compute vesting schedule ID, we could also compute the vesting schedule ID. So if it is the first vesting schedule for an address, then we have to place the address of the investor here and the ID would be 0. So we will get the vesting schedule for that investor. Decimals, again these decimals represent about the WEFI tokens. Get current time, so this is the current time on the blockchain. So there are converters to check for the time. So we'll check what time it is showing. So we pasted that value here and it is showing that 3:54 GMT time of the blockchain. Now get last vesting schedule. If there are multiple vesting schedules for a beneficiary, then by sending the beneficiary address we could get the recent or latest vesting schedule. Get token. This is the token address which basically this is the WEFI token smart contract address, because those tokens are locked in this smart contract. So we could also verify that. So this is the WEFI token smart contract. So basically it is showing that these tokens are locked in this vesting smart contract. Get tokens withdrawable amount. Basically there will be tokens locked in the vesting smart contract, but as we will be giving reflection rewards, then the tokens in vesting smart contract will also increase. So this function shows how much tokens are extra that we could withdraw. So basically that is 0 at this point. Get vesting at index. If there are 100 vesting schedules in total, then we could access the, let's suppose, 50th vesting schedule by providing that index and querying the blockchain. Get vesting schedule. Again, we could provide the ID and we could get the vesting schedule. Get vesting schedule by beneficiary and index. If we want to get the vesting schedule by beneficiary and index, we could also query that in this way. Get vesting schedule count. So how many vesting schedules are there in this vesting contract? So for now this is only one vesting contract, and only for one beneficiary the tokens are locked in the smart contract. Get vesting schedules count by beneficiary. If there are multiple vesting schedules for a beneficiary, like for XYZ beneficiary, he bought our tokens at multiple times, so we could check that how many vesting schedules are there in the vesting smart contract for that beneficiary. Get vesting schedules total amount. So we could check that how many tokens are locked in the vesting smart contract. So these are 0. So as soon as the tokens will be released from the vesting smart contract, then this value will be decreasing with time. So again, this vesting contract has also an owner, which is that wallet address. When I will deploy on the mainnet and transfer ownership to you, then there will be your wallet address visible, and this is the symbol, and this is the total supply of the token. That's it. Thank you.